Hi, and welcome back to the channel. This week's video is all about trying to find the area of the white triangle inside of this square. Now, as you can see, there are three other triangles inside of this square, and the numbers on each of those are the corresponding areas. So the green triangle has an area of 3, the blue triangle has an area of 4, and the orange triangle has an area of 5. Can you solve this problem yourself? If you want to have a go at this problem yourself, pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to show you my solution in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to do with this problem is to label all of the sides of my square. So I labeled the top side S, and I labeled that side specifically because that is one of the sides of my green triangle. Now, from there, I didn't know what the other side was or how to label it, so I put it as a question mark. Now, I can work that other missing length out using the formula for the equation of, or formula for the area, not equation, formula for the area of a triangle. So that is a half times the base times perpendicular height. So half times S times by this missing length is 3. Double both sides, we get S times by the missing length is 6. So that missing length must be 6 divided by S. So let's put that on the diagram. Now, I know that the side length of my square is S. So that must mean the height of the orange triangle is S minus 6 over S. Now, from there, I'm going to start looking at the left-hand triangle, the blue triangle. Now, the height of that must also be S because that is the same as the height of the square. Now, I've got this missing length again. I'm going to use exactly the same process. So the formula for the area of a triangle, half times the base times perpendicular height. So half times S times this missing length is 4. Double both sides again, and then divide by S, and we get this missing length is 8 over S. And we're going to need to move the diagram again to squash that in. Now, that means the base of that orange triangle is going to be S minus 8 over S by the same logic as previously with the height of the orange triangle. Now, we're then going to use area of a triangle again with the orange triangle and use those two lengths in terms of S that we have got. So, using that, we get a half times S minus 8 over S times by S minus 6 over S equals 5. We're going to double both sides here. So we get those two brackets times together is 10. We're then going to multiply out the two brackets. So we're going to get S squared minus 8 minus 6 plus 48 over S squared equals 10. Simplify the minus 8 and the minus 6 to minus 14. Take away the 10 from both sides and then times everything here by S squared. Gives us S to the power of 4 minus 24S squared plus 48 is equal to 0. What we're going to do there is, at the moment, we've got a quartic, but if we say that X is equal to S squared, then we can rewrite this as X squared minus 24X plus 48 equals 0. And that we can solve using the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula, we get that X is equal to 12 plus or minus 4 root 6. Now, we said S squared was X, so let's change that X back to S squared. And actually, S squared, well, that's going to be the area of the full square because the square would be S times S. Now, 12 minus 4 root 6 is about 2, a little bit over 2, and clearly from our diagram here, the area of the full square is going to have to be more than 2. Okay, significantly more than 2 because the area of one of the triangles is 3. So it can't be 12 minus 4 root 6. It's going to have to be 12 plus 4 root 6. So that's our only option. And like I just said, the area of our square is S squared. So the area of our square is 12 plus 4 root 6. So to find this missing area, the white triangle inside of the square, as you probably have already worked out, we are going to do 12 plus 4 root 6 minus the area of the green triangle, minus the area of the blue triangle, minus the area of the orange triangle, which gives us an answer at the end of 4 root 6 units squared, which is a pretty neat answer to that problem. If you got that solution or that answer, should I say, yourself, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you used a different method, please share that down in the comments below as well. Always interested to read your different solutions. And now all that's left to say is thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like on the video. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I upload a new problem solving video every Monday at 5 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, everybody. And I will see you next Monday for another problem solving video. Until then, bye-bye.